Olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, has been lauded for its myriad health benefits for centuries. This golden elixir is rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients, making it a powerful addition to any diet. Here are the top 5 reasons why you should consider incorporating olive oil into your daily routine. 1. Heart health. One of the most well-documented benefits of olive oil is its positive impact on heart health. Olive oil is high in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce levels of LDL, bad, cholesterol while maintaining HDL, good, cholesterol. This helps prevent the buildup of arterial plaque, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, the polyphenols in olive oil have anti-inflammatory properties that further support cardiovascular health. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect your cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants help combat free radicals and unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging and various diseases, including cancer. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can bolster your body's defense against oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, olive oil can actually aid in weight management. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil promote a feeling of fullness, helping to curb overeating and snacking between meals. Studies have shown that a diet rich in olive oil is associated with lower body weight and reduced risk of obesity. Furthermore, the healthy fats in olive oil can improve metabolic function, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Brain health. Olive oil is beneficial for cognitive function and brain health. The monounsaturated fats and polyphenols in olive oil have neuroprotective effects, helping to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Research suggests that olive oil can improve memory and cognitive performance, particularly in older adults. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil also play a role in protecting the brain from chronic inflammation, which is linked to cognitive impairment. 5. Skin and hair benefits. Olive oil is not only beneficial for your internal health but also for your skin and hair. Rich in vitamins E and K, as well as other antioxidants, olive oil can help moisturize and nourish your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a healthy complexion. It can also be used as a natural conditioner for your hair, adding shine and reducing frizz. Applying olive oil topically or consuming it as part of your diet can lead to healthier, more radiant skin and stronger, shinier hair. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, from protecting your heart and brain to enhancing your skin and hair. To reap the maximum benefits, opt for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the highest levels of antioxidants and nutrients. Whether you drizzle it over salads, use it in cooking, or take a spoonful straight, olive oil is a simple and delicious way to boost your overall health and well-being.